Welcome to the lesson. In this video, we'll explore the basics of computers. A computer is an electronic device that accepts input, processes it, stores data, and provides output. It can handle a wide variety of tasks like writing, calculating, searching online, or designing. Computers are powerful machines with special characteristics that make them useful in all fields. First is speed. Computers can perform millions of tasks in just a second. Second is accuracy. They give correct results without mistakes if the input is right. Next is automation. Once we give instructions, computers can complete the task on their own. Data storage allows us to save huge amounts of information safely for future use. And finally, versatility. Computers can be used for so many different purposes like learning, designing, calculating, and even playing games. These 5 characteristics make computers essential in our modern life. A computer works by performing 4 main functions. First is input. This is when we enter data into the computer using devices like a keyboard or a mouse. Second is processing. This is the computer's brain, the CPU, which works on the data and performs calculations. Third is storage. The data can be saved in memory so that we can use it later when needed. And finally, output. This is when the result is shown to us through devices like a monitor, speaker, or printer. So, every task on a computer follows this cycle: input, process, store, and output. Let's understand the main components that make a computer system work. First, we have input devices like a keyboard and mouse. These allow us to send data into the computer. Next are output devices like a monitor or printer, which help us see or receive the results of our work. The CPU is the brain of the computer. It handles all the calculations and decisions. Then there is memory or RAM, which stores data temporarily while the computer is working. Finally, we have storage devices such as hard drives or pen drives, which save data permanently for future use. All these parts work together to make the computer function smoothly.
Let's look at the different types of computers. Desktop computers, powerful and used in offices. Laptops, portable and flexible. Tablets and smartphones, handy for mobile computing. And servers, used to manage networks and large scale data. Computers are used everywhere in our daily life. In education for online classes and assignments, in business for billing and reports, in banking for ATMs and online transactions, in healthcare for managing patient records, in media for graphic and video editing, and in online shopping platforms like Amazon and Flipkart. Now it's time to try out some hands on tasks. Task 1: identify the parts of your computer like CPU, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. Task 2: practice switching your system on and shutting it down properly. Task 3: create a new folder on the desktop and rename it with your own name. By the end of this lesson, you will understand what a computer is and how it works, identify its key components, explore its uses in real life, and complete your first computer based activity. Well done for getting started.